on your cushion or meditation seat with your spine taut yet relaxed. Close your eyes. Rest your hands gently on your knees and bring the tips of your index finger and thumb together in Jam Mudra. Now, imagine yourself inside the forest of calm. Take a deep full breath in and exhale softly, letting go of the night. As the morning unfolds, allow your body to awaken gently. Start by the soft whisper of the forest around you. Bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale softly, feeling the belly and then the chest. Exhale slowly, releasing first the chest, then the belly. Now, let your breath find its own rhythm, natural, effortless. Notice the air entering and leaving your body. Feel the freshness of morning on your face, like the tender touch of leaves brushing your skin. And as you exhale, sense the warmth within, the gentle embrace of the forest of calm. With every exhale, imagine a thin mist of morning dew caressing your skin. Bring your awareness to your face. Soften your expression and allow a slight smile to form. Relax your forehead, your eyes, your eyelids. Release your jaw, your tongue, your lips. Let your neck and shoulders melt as if an old layer of bark is gently falling away. Now your chest and belly fill with pure air, and as you breathe out, tension slowly melts. Move your awareness along your back Feel the support of the forest, the solid earth beneath you. Sense your breath flowing through your arms, into your hands, all the way to each fingertip. Now your legs, your feet, your toes. With each exhale, you release the heaviness of the night. Remain here for a few breaths, feeling your whole body alive, present, rooted in your forest of calm. Now, imagine yourself walking slowly through tall trees. The moonlight filters through the leaves, creating golden droplets of light upon the moss. Breathe in and sense the soft, earthy scent of the forest, a mix of pine, fallen leaves, and a touch of wildflowers. This aroma begins to wrap around your chest, like a gentle perfume embracing your heart. Let yourself drink in this fragrance, feeling it travel through your whole body. Now, the forest surrounds you completely, inviting your heart to set a clear intention for today. Perhaps I will walk with calm. I open softly to the present. I allow my body and mind to be noticed by peace. Feel this intention as a seed planted in the forest floor, ready to grow. bring your attention to gratitude. What can you thank this morning for? Simply for being alive, for breathing, for choosing this moment. Allow yourself a soft whisper of gratitude for the air, for the forest, for the calm that already lives within you. Slowly begin to move your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in, and as you raise your arms toward the sky, join your palms together. With a long, gentle exhale, bring your hands down to your heart. Bow your head slightly, allowing the sound and fragrance of the forest to fade subtly into the background. When you feel ready, open your eyes slowly. Remember, you carry the forest of calm within you. Its awakening fragrance, its quiet intention, its sense of freedom and peace. May your day unfold from this calm, this presence, this magical sense of being. Namaste. If this meditation brought you calm, please like or subscribe so I can keep guiding you toward the version of yourself you truly wish to become.